quarantine date, Friday, man flu, full effect. Yeah, not feeling good, but trying to power through because obviously we're men, can't moan about it. So yeah, let's see if I can get anything done out here. Could do with just collapsing with a Stella, but no, must get this mini done, must get this mini done. So yeah, let's see what we've got. I've got a couple of holes in the rear panel below the boot, which we could do. Just thinking, actually, we're getting quite close to sort of a ceiling and stuff like that. So I need to figure out about these fuel straps. Some people just said use P-clips, you know, sod the traditionalists, purists, which is a good idea as well. But I don't know. I'm still thinking. I think I'll still use the metal clips just for now. Just saves me drilling holes through and doing stuff for the other side. But I don't know. Anyway, let's do some holes and then we'll work on the back bit. Okay, I think that's the floor mostly done. I'm going to leave all the other holes and just plug them up when I need to, or do something with grommets. So again, seatbelt points and things like that. That'll be fine. So yeah, looking all better. So yeah, let's move on to that rear panel. And then the only thing I think we've got left really, I'll just finish up this little top corner where the subframe mount is. As I said, I'm not happy with that rear quarter. I need to drill out the spot welds and try and have another go at that. So we can see if we can try and rotate the car around a bit more. Pardon my French there. Well, that was me just cleaning up all the fuel tabs, fuel clips and brake clips. Whether I'm going to use them is another question, but at least they're all cleaned up. Let's have a look at this rear boot, and then I think I'm going to collapse and die. Not really, obviously, I don't think. There you go, it's not much. It's better than I thought, actually. It's on the flatter side of this edge. So what I'm going to do is just put a bit of aluminium plate behind the back, and try and just plug weld it from this side, and then just soft pad it off, hopefully. Sounds easy, doesn't it? Ow! Bang my head on the garage door. Ow, ow, ow. Alright, let's clean that up and get a bit of the epoxy prime off and then get some weld on it. Sorry about that. Yeah, this technique's not working perfectly. We'll give it a go though. We'll persevere for a little bit longer, otherwise we're just going to cut this section out and insert a little bit. That'll do for now. I expect in hindsight maybe should have replaced it. Bit of extra primer. Hole nearly gone. So I think that should all be good there. That's good. So yeah, we're nearly there. So basically in the next episode we need to roll the car around, do this panel under here, we're a quarter, I think it's just bowed slightly. Whether we can get a bit of a block, wooden block inside there, and just see if we can push the floor down a bit. Let's see if we can just squash it back a little bit. It's worth giving it a go under the seat panel there. Maybe just get a little jack in there. We won't go too berserk. If we can't, we can't. It's just going to have to stay like that. It's solid, it's just not pretty. I'm trying my best to try and get the floor straight, but I failed this time. I did pretty well on the jet black, even though, as I said, if you I'm showing an update, but just where the rear, you know, where you sit in a Mini, it bows the floor on these panels. So again, mostly highly recommend putting a bit of a spreader plate inside under the carpet or something like that. Even a big sort of bit of a piece of wood, or not wood maybe, something, I don't know, something to spread the seat, where the seat just loads up. So yeah, alright, I'm going to go blow my rest of my brains out that I've got left in my head. And yeah, I think we're looking good for next week. We're stone chipping it. So as I said, my last quandary, I won't weld these on until I have the last views of you guys. It's these tabs. 3 of them. I'm thinking, yeah, we clean these up. Just 2 punch welds, 2 punch holes. Goes up the other way in a minute. 2 punch welds maybe. I don't know. So yeah, it's a bit annoying that they're not flat. As I said, I'm sure the later ones are just flat. I know P-clips as well, I could use anything. I could try and dent in the floor, but I think I'm more risk of likely to push the old floor in than I am. Obviously what I could do is just smack it with a hammer and make it flat. It really don't make any differences at all, which is mostly the best option. Just smack it with a hammer. Hammer! Smack it with a hammer. That'll do. 2 punch holes or 3 punch holes through that. Welded on. Ready for the brake pipe to go underneath. That'll do. And the fuel pipe. Yeah. That'll do. MIG welder off. Gas valve off. Can't be asked to show you the gas volumes this time. Mark, they really haven't gone down much. Next time. Alright, off out to celebrate my mate's 40th birthday. I think he's a bit depressed that he's old, but we all get like that sometimes. 40's the new 30 or whatever. Yeah, so happy birthday, Donald. Let's go for a few beers. Till next time, everyone.